Psychology doesn't claim women automatically miss you just because you vanish, but when a few emotional switches flip, that feeling can surge fast. So what flips those switches, and how do you end up renting space in her head all day? Let's get into the psychology of it. Number 1. When she notices you've stopped chasing. Picture it, you've always been the one to text first, call first, plan everything, then nothing. The quiet gets loud. At first she shrugs. He's probably busy. But as hours turn into days, a little worry creeps in. Her phone feels strangely still. No instant good morning, no goofy memes. It's like she had an all-you-can-eat buffet of your attention, and boom, the kitchen closed. Now the questions start: did I take him for granted? Was he really that invested? And if he was, why did it stop? That blend of curiosity and mild panic pulls her focus back to you harder than before. Number 2. When she sees you thriving without her. Here's the curveball. It isn't your silence that makes her miss you, it's your glow up. If she expected you to mope or circle back, that story falls apart when you're clearly living well. Maybe your stories look fun, you're in the gym, out with friends, or just lighter in your energy. Few things spark curiosity and a hint of regret, like a guy who was supposed to be pining, but is leveling up instead. The thought slips in, wait, did I misjudge him? One doubt can snowball into full-blown longing. Number 3. When she feels rejected instead of adored. Feeling desired is a powerful driver. When she's no longer the obvious center of your attention, something flips. On the surface, she might look unbothered underneath. There's a shift. Why doesn't he want me like before? That tiny seed of doubt grows. She rechecks your socials, rereads old threads, replays the highlight reel. The moment your attention feels scarce, its value shoots up way past what it was when she had it on tap. Number 4. When she stacks you up against other guys. Here's a quiet truth missing, often starts with comparison. She meets someone new and the gaps show. He's not as quick with the jokes. He doesn't listen like you did. The vibe just doesn't land the same. That's when nostalgia rolls in. She remembers the details, how you made her feel your rhythm when you talked, even your scent. Suddenly, you're not just a memory, you're front and center again. And with that comes the question, did I let the right thing go? Number 5. When other women clearly value you. This one hits fast. Nothing speeds up. I miss him, like realizing she's not the only one who sees your value. Maybe she spots a photo of you laughing in a new crowd, or a friend mentions someone's been flirting with you. Suddenly, you're not her always there option, you're a man in demand. That's perceived scarcity. When access drops, value rises. The instant she senses real competition, the days when you were all hers start to look golden. Number 6. When it feels like she may have lost you for good. Nothing sharpens appreciation like the risk of loss. Maybe she assumed you'd always be around, patient, interested, waiting while she figured things out. Then you stop reaching out. No hints. No lingering signals. Reality lands. He might actually be done. He might. That's when the late night scrolling starts. The profile checks, the should I text him debate. It's not a game anymore, it's the realization that something rare might be gone, and that's often when she considers coming back. It isn't absence alone, it's the context of your absence. When your energy moves forward, your life expands, and your attention isn't guaranteed, those psychological levers pull hard. Your move, keep living like your life is full because it is. Let your actions show your standards, not your frustration. If you're into more psychology-backed insights like this, subscribe and turn on notifications.